Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that what is the function of the destinations option on the StreamYard's website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the StreamYard, and then we have to create our account, and or we have to log in. And after that, as you can see, has an option for the destination. So we have to click on the destinations, and after clicking on this, as you can see, they have provided all the options like the add a destination, connect an account to the StreamYard. Once connected, you can stream it as often as you like. Not sure where to start, you can also watch this guidance video. So as you can see, if you want to connect your Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, these all options are provided here. You can connect these with your StreamYard, and then you can do the live streaming through the StreamYard option. So these are going to be very helpful for you guys. If you want to use them, you just need to connect them. If you want to take a more guidance in the more detail, you have to watch this tutorial and you will be able to do that. So in this way, you can use the destinations option. I hope you guys understand this video, that what is the function of this destination option and how it will be useful for you guys. So see you guys in the next video.